Hey guys, back again, part 2 of Oleta Park. If you didn't see the first one, don't snooze or you'll lose. And we are walking the trails and walking around the whole park. There's canoeing here, there's cabins, on trail, off trails. There's actually a lot of trails everywhere. So, and it's pretty much sprinkling right now. Like I said, it doesn't stop. Wow, man. I fly in any weather, guys. Got my umbrella, so let's do it again. You know? This place is pretty much surrounded in water. That's a trail right there as well. I'm gonna take one of these side trails. Yeah. Let's see. See where this lands me, guys. I'm sure they have a lot of coyotes back here. It's that type of environment. It says some of the trails were closed due to the rain that we've been having here, but that doesn't stop me. You know my slogan, nobody's around. See a little water coming up, but that looks pretty low. Muddy, if anything. It looks like a mud trail. Let's take a look at the water over here, guys. There's boats over here, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Only in Florida, beautiful. You can actually see the bottom of this clear water. Very nice. Let's get a good close-up on that. Pretty cool, guys. All right. This is a national park, guys. What do you think? I gotta ask that in every video. Is this Bigfoot's environment? Do you think he lives here? You think he comes to visit in his yellow school bus with his kids? Like I said, I finally figured out how he's getting around. First one to know, guys. I'm the first one to know. Bigfoot has a yellow school bus. He has his wife, his kids, and little Bigfoot with him. And they ride from city to city, state to state. That's how he's getting around. That's how he's getting around, folks. You didn't even know it. He's probably been pulled over a couple times and the state trooper's probably missing. This is how he's getting away. I'll probably lose my car here. I usually do, big places like this. So I'm probably gonna have a long walk back. There's probably like, I think there's like 8 parking lots here and they're all big. And I've done a circle so far, half of a circle, I should say. Beautiful. It is sprinkling right now. Feels great though. They have canoeing here too, folks. I definitely wouldn't want to be here at night. Definitely wouldn't want to be in here at night. You can look at the surroundings and see there's some things around here. Yeah, there's some things around here, definitely. Which way should I go? I think I'm gonna go this way. Deeper into it, folks. Deeper into it. Maybe I might see something, you know? Oh where could my little coyote be? Oh where could he be? 5 seconds later, I'm getting mauled up. That's a pretty interesting quarter rock. There's just water everywhere. So I really have to be careful because they said that there's gators here. And these type of areas, you never know what one could be. So I have to stay visual. A lot of people don't know those things move faster on land than they do water. You guys hear that? I think he's coming. Alrighty, let's see. There's a lot of nets out back here though, I noticed that. Better than mosquitoes. Hear that thunder, guys? I don't know if you can hear that rippling. It is probably about to release the beast on me soon. But that's okay. I'm here. I am here, folks. And I am deep in the woods. I don't think nothing really wants to attack me if it wants to live. Guys, I see a hermit crab over here. See how visual I am? Look at him. He's right there getting ready to go in his hole as soon as I walk over. Let's see if we can catch him. Let's see if we can catch him. Oh, he just went right in his hole. There's a few of them down here, but he went in his hole. You see those holes? Those are crab holes. So they have them around here. They're all over. So if you come here, folks, you know, bring your butter or something. You might be leaving home with something. Beautiful. They sell these plants high at Walmart. I've seen them. Come out here and pick these plants for free. Especially the invasive ones. But you got to be careful what you touch sometimes. Florida has a lot of beautiful flowers, and believe it or not, I think I could be wrong, over 30 of them are poisonous. Some that can actually kill you, some that can make you sick, some that can break you out. Yeah, some even used for medicine. So, yeah, what's beautiful is deadly sometimes. I think a lot of guys know about that. Vice versa. Surprised I haven't ran into Mr. Turtle yet. This is an environment for them as well. Using this type of atmosphere and weather conditions, you usually see the tourist out running around somewhere. But they might be in another location at this big, huge park. Let's take a look over here. Got a bird over there. Right. This is a huge trail, folks. You don't want to come here and get lost, especially with your kids. Keep them in line with you. If you got to put the kid dog leash on them, go ahead and put it. Push them along. It is net city out here today. A lot of nets. Pigeons. Love pigeons. Did you know pigeons have a memory of a person for up to 2 to 3 years? I can see why they used them as delivery birds at one time. The Egyptians used them as well. Isn't that cool to have one of those? You don't need no stamps at all, folks. Hand it to him. Here, take this to Atlanta. 2835. They remember. They remember where they go. Okay, I've walked around that fast to the other side. I remember these boats. Halfway around the middle. Oh, that's a blue jay up there. I'll tell you folks, those blue jays, they get around. They're in the Midwest all over, especially, you know, you see them all in the park areas as well. They're flying around in the wintertime down there. The blue jays and the red robins. Beautiful flower just sitting there by itself. There's butterflies moving around as well. That's a beautiful one right there. Look at that one. It's beautiful. He is fire orange. Wow. Look at that, folks. That is beautiful. All right, folks, I'm going to end this video and see me at the next one, part 3. See you guys soon.